I thought this feature is completely useless until I realized I was using it wrong. I think most people make the same mistake. This feature is called skills inside of 9x chat. So today I'll show you how it actually works. First of all, open 9x chat desktop app. Then in right side you can see a option called library. After clicking it, you can see there are some options like agents, prompts, models, MCP servers, skills, tools, and attachment. So today in this video we will discuss about skill. Okay, so simply clicking it. After clicking it, as you can see, there are three different pre-built AI skills. Number one, code review. Number two, research with resource, and number three, writing editors. So how it will work? For example, if you are a developer and if you want to build your website by using AI, so first of all, if you write your raw idea into the AI, then AI gives a full stack proper structured code. But sometimes when AI gives the code, then in the code there are sometimes many kinds of mistakes like bugs, so that's why we can't able to achieve actual result. But after using this skill, code reviewer, AI actually review your code and fix the mistakes and fix the bugs. Okay, that's we can get the actual proper result. And same thing happens with research with source. Like if you want to deeply analyze a topic or a concept, then simply you write your topic into AI, then AI gives you only the result. But when you have to use this skill called research with source, AI actually gives the research with the answer. How it will work? Simply go to chat section and write at the rate. After writing it, you can see some options like agents, prompts, MCPs, notes, extensions, skills, and tools. Simply click on skills and you can see there are the pre-built three skills. Simply enable this in research with the source and write your question. This is my question, and simply click on this button. After some time you will be see your answer will be ready, including source. This is the resource, and using this resource you can get more accurate result. Okay, so this is the entire process to use AI skill inside of 9x chat. I will see in the next video with a new AI feature. Goodbye.